Hello friends, welcome back to Simplify Your Space. This is a third video in a new home setup series. Earlier two videos had tips to set up a new house and unboxing of a new washing machine and setting up the laundry area. You can find the links of these two videos in the description box. In today's video, I will be talking about a new fridge from Panasonic and its intelligent features. Buying the right size and capacity according to your lifestyle and family size is important as these appliances stay with us for years. Now let's see what is so special about this fridge and why it is suitable for this house. Let's start the video. So this is a beautiful and stylish multi-door frost-free black colored Panasonic fridge. Panasonic is #1 appliances brand in Japan with more than 100 years of legacy. From outside, it does not look very large but still spacious from inside. How spacious? 551 liters to be exact. It comes with 1 year warranty on the product and 10 years warranty on the compressor. Now let's look into the main features and interiors of the fridge. From outside, it looks sleek and stylish. Black glass finish adds up to this. Flat door handles look neat. The fridge is quite spacious and good enough for family of 5 or more. The top part is fridge. The bottom sliding drawer is freezer. Interiors are bright and clear. It has simple yet attractive transparent design along with the LED lights. It has 3 strong tempered glass shelves which can take the load up to 100 kgs. That means आराम से बड़े pots या vessels भी रखे जा सकते हैं. Shelves are adjustable for efficient storage. Vegetable case here is quite large. Moisture retaining fresh safe vegetable case maintains 90% humidity and constant temperature. This helps to keep the fresh produce for longer. Good for people like me who buy vegetables and fruits in bulk at least for a week. This another drawer is called Prime Fresh drawer, which freezes food lightly at approximate -3 degrees. Food frozen in this way can be stored for longer period while retaining freshness. This is very handy for storing non-vegetarian food. Its blue AG filters with AG plus blue LED helps to deactivate bacteria and molds 99.99% in order to keep food healthy and hygienic. If not using the Prime Fresh feature, one can use it as a regular crisper drawer to store veggies. Door pockets are spacious. They can accept big, medium and small bottles comfortably. These shelves are removable, hence can be cleaned easily. Egg tray is also given here. Now let's see the freezer. This is a spacious pull-out freezer. It has this small slide-in drawer to keep the items segregated. Movable, detachable twist ice trays are given here. Once the ice cubes are ready, just twist the lever to drop them in the ice box. This main freezer drawer has lot of space and can be used to freeze multiple items easily. Now let me talk about one of its best and intelligent feature and control panel. This range has Eco-Navi plus inverter technology which maintains the temperature in different zones of the refrigerator automatically. It has door sensors which detects how frequently the refrigerator door is opened and closed and set its cooling accordingly. Internal temperature sensor which detects the temperature inside the refrigerator to determine required cooling power. External temperature sensor which helps detecting the ambient temperature outside the refrigerator to determine required cooling power. Light sensor which detects the ambient brightness to determine the usage patterns. The soft touch LED control panel is given on the door which looks great. That's all about its main features and design. So why did we choose this model? Well, we wanted a stylish looking fridge with big capacity, but at the same time the one that could be placed in this relatively smaller kitchen. This meant fridge was needed to be sleek from outside and at the same time spacious from inside. Moreover, I needed more space in the fridge section and lesser space in the freezer section, and this one fitted the bill. It is very convenient to reach and grab items from the fridge while working in the kitchen. It is big but still does not look bulky. तो सिंपल लैंग्वेज में हम कह सकते हैं ये स्मार्टर है, बिगर है, फ्रेशर है एंड कन्वीनियंट है. Though I got it from Panasonic store, it is available on Amazon as well as all the leading retail stores. Links are mentioned in the description box. If you need more technical information or otherwise, you may connect with Panasonic team on their social media platforms. That was all about this video. Please like and share and subscribe to Simplify Your Space for more such videos. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.